In this video, the focus is on Cash App, specifically how to enter a referral code within the app. Many users have questions about where this option is located, so this guide will walk through the process step by step. The instructions are straightforward and easy to follow, so watching through to the end will ensure nothing is missed. As you may know from time to time, Cash App runs various promotions. On one of my other videos, a lot of people have been using my Cash App referral code, but some of them have been messaging me saying they're not sure where to enter it. Whatever the reason may be, the process itself is actually quite simple, and it's done right within the Cash App. Once the app is open, you'll land on the home screen. One important thing to know is that if you don't see the option to enter a referral code, it likely means you've already passed the eligibility window. Typically, there's a time limit, and you need to enter the referral code within that period. Along with that, you also need to connect a bank account and complete some transactions. But if you're still within the eligible time frame and want to enter your referral code, here's what you do. Click on your profile icon, which is located in the top right corner. Once you click there, a drop-down menu appears. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that menu and you should see an option labeled Referral Code in green text. That's the place where you can input your referral code within the Cash App. If, however, you scroll down and only see an option to sign out, that means you've already signed up and gone past the allowed time to enter the code. Usually, that window is limited, and once it's expired, unfortunately, you no longer qualify for the referral promotion. So there you have it. If you were wondering where to enter your referral code on Cash App, that's the simplest way I know to locate the option. Hopefully, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.